Hello and welcome to my channel. Age is just a number, and my name is Barbara Jean. This is a channel for women over 40, over 50, over 60, over 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today, this video, it's about beauty. Yes, I am doing this pink look today for you because I'm getting ready to do a pink video, fashion video. So I thought I would pull out some of my pink items and do a look. So if you want to see how I got this pink look, hang tight and I'll get started on it right away. All right, let's get started. Let's put a little bit of primer on real quick. So, like I said, I'm feeling very pink today. Hence, this pink t-shirt from Target that I got. And I thought I would do a pink look because I'm going to be filming some pink outfits. So, all right, primer is on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Dior Air Flash. I've got a Dior bronzer, a Chanel blush, a Chanel lippy, my favorite pink lip of all time. And then the palette I'm going to be using is one I'm revisiting, the Ace Beauté Scarlet Dusk, because it has this beautiful bubblegum pink that I'm going to be showcasing. So I will just play some music and speed it up a little bit as I go through it so it's not long. So if you're ready to get started and see how I pink up, stay tuned. We'll get started on it. All right, I am back. And I got the eye look finished. Isn't this pretty pink? What do you think? All right, so I've already lined my lips, and I used Chanel's, what is this? Something that's already off. Number 43, something rose, but it's already worn off or penciled, shaven off. All right, but my lipstick that I'm going to use is one of my favorite pinks ever, and this is by Chanel, and this is called Orchidee, number 17, Orcidee. And it's kind of a warm pink, but I just absolutely love it, so. All right, so what do you think of this pink look? Leave me your comments down there below. And yeah, I'm going to be filming a video with some pink fashion. So look for that. So that's hence is why I decided to do the pink. So yeah, so I feel like it's kind of fresh and summery. So pink lemonade, no. All right, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for stopping by to see me. And remember, ladies, remember what I tell you every single day. Get up and show up because you are worth it. So until I see you in my next video, have a very safe and a very blessed day.